Hey guys, Andrew here from WP4.church. In this quick tutorial, we are going to go over how to set a home page for your website. By default, WordPress shows your blog post as the home page. So when you have a fresh WordPress install, it's going to show your first WordPress post thing by default. And so we're going to look at how to, once you've made a home page, set that page as your home page. I'm going to show you two quick ways. And the first one, we're going to go to the back end and we're going to go to Appearance, Customize. And this is the way that I do it. I think it's the quickest. And so let me flip back over to the home page. You can also go to Customize right here in your top toolbar. So once you're at the Customize area, you can go to Settings and then Home Page Settings. And right here, you can see your homepage displays your latest post or a static page. So if it was, I'm going to change it to latest post just so you'll see kind of what comes up. And this just shows, the blog roll. This is what's on my blog page. I want to set it to a home page. So where it says home page, you can select any page here from your website. I have my home page set. It's called WordPress for Church. And the post page, so once you set a home page, if you have a blog on your website, you would select whatever page is now going to be displaying your blog, and then you would come up here and click publish, and that's setting a home page there. The other way is on the back end as well. So let's go back to the admin area. We're going to go to settings this time. So we're going to scroll down to settings, and when that comes up, we're going to go to reading. And here you can see the same kind of stuff that was in the customize area. You can select a static page here. Same thought process. Select your home page from the drop-down list and your post page from the drop-down list and click Save Changes. And simple as that, you've set your home page.